Okay, here's our end of sprint one check-in, and we want to show you kind of what we got working at this point. Anthony, go ahead and hit the play button. Okay, so we run, and you can see in our console log down there that our database all got hooked up. This is the delivery ticket screen. It's reading in a delivery ticket from my initialization script right here. Now, Anthony, click each button. So you can see some delivery ticket information being read in. There's plenty of formatting and stuff we need to do here, but they're all hooked up, so that's at least good. Cancel. And go back. Now hit update. And again, you can see the same screen brought back. This time it actually has some date time and stuff associated with it. And we'll cancel that. Now click it, hit delete, and here's our delete screen. It doesn't delete yet, does it?
It does.
It does delete?
It does all the operations. Add, update, and delete.
Okay, so if hit delete, it might break. Nope, it deletes. Okay, well that's good. We may not want it to delete
right now,
but it deletes.
Yeah.
And then we'll go to the employees tab. And so again, we've got some formatting and stuff that we want to do, but that's all reading in from the database. We've got add, update, and delete here too. We also have a ID number label that needs to be larger. And in here, we've got kind of a placeholder for the ID number. We may or may not end up showing that because I think our database will generate it, but we've got some testing to do there. But you could add an employee, but there's a database issue there too that we need to work out. So in general, all the functions mostly work. So let's hit cancel here and go back and we can look at the click one, hit update. And then it pulls out all of its information, except it doesn't pull out its ID number yet. Again, that's something we're looking into. So hit cancel there. And we have the same for delete. So all of our screens work. There's just a little bit of underlying logic to still implement. So we hit cancel, go clients, and kind of show them the same thing. There's a dummy at the top of this list you could actually go ahead and delete. Does it work?
I don't remember. I thought it was still breaking.
No, you can delete that one, can't you? Yeah.
Oh,
So
yeah, then that's work.
boom. All right. So you can see the same basic features there. Show them add, show them update real quick.
Sorry.
So there's a new one.
Kind of pull down.
And then update. And so you see it pulls in the stuff that I had in the database there. And the location needs to be hooked up still, but that's a small matter. And business parameters is sprint 2, so let's show them the map configuration window. And so we've got this set up. We need to, our list model and labels need to be kind of organized and resized a little, but you can show them the intersection drop down. We've got all 49 possible intersections in here read in from the database, and the ability to put in dates in like the standard format. Can you close it without a date, Augustine, now? Or
Yeah, you can.
Okay, you can close. And so, boom, closed. Now, you want to open one of them?
Select one, you open.
Boom, and it goes back into the list, which I'm sure we didn't look at it closely enough to tell you which one it was, but it's in the list.
You can select the first one with more width, then
Yeah. Go ahead and do
close
that.
the first.
Okay, now hit it and then reopen. There it is,
And
yay!
it's back. Yeah.
Okay, so that's good. We've got some good functionality there. And finish, is that just a cancel button?
Now it means that the opening and closing intersection process.
Oh, okay, it saves them. Okay.
Save them.
Okay, sweet, very good. And no report screen yet. That's sprint 3. Logouts are sprint 2. Yeah, and adding the login screen is also sprint 2. So in general, that's what we have working at this point. Would you bring up the database real quick to show him? So here's our database. My script sets up. You can click CourierDB there you go. Here's all of our tables. And then click each table, the client. And so we've got the 10 clients that were provided with the sample data delivery ticket. I just made one. Oh yeah, we deleted it. I made one and we deleted it. Great. And then anyway, so here's an owner, some couriers, and an order taker, which is kind of the minimum. And then every intersection is stored at this point with coordinates. And so I think we're in pretty good shape. I mean, if we work pretty hard in the second week, we should be able to get a lot of these bugs out and really get it to flow nice.
Yeah.
Anybody else have anything? Okay, we kind of showed you some happy paths. We need to add in validation checking and stuff before we can start doing things we would expect the operator to do that we don't want them to do. So we'll do that here soon too. All right. Thanks. Hope you had a good time in Chicago. Adios.
See you on Monday.